this is Paravi and Mr. Jahangir and me. We are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. So at first, I want to introduce our agency to you, sir. Can I share my screen?
Okay, yes.
Thank you, sir. Okay. So, sir, this is our website, fsdfreelancehelp.com. In this website, you will find all of our contact informations and all about us. And if you scroll down, you can see my picture is attached here. And I am CEO and founder of this agency. And we have lot of buyer history. We have lot of work history. If you go to our client meeting sections, then you'll find there are a lot of buyer we have working with. And if you go next, then you will find more and more work history, buyer meeting, everything. And this guy is from USA. He hired us for $500 US work. This guy is from China. This guy is from USA. This guy is from USA. This guy is from France. And whole over the world we working with. We are a expert freelancing institute. And if you go to our team sections here, if you go to our team sections, then you will find there are a lot of freelancer working in our team. They all are expert and they working beside our team, Fiverr and Upwork also, and Mr. Jahangir is one of them. And if you go next, then you will find there are 300 plus freelancer working in our team. And we have a YouTube channel, sir. This is our YouTube channel, FSD Freelance Help. On this channel, we have gained 197K subscriber and uploaded 174 videos. And if you go to our videos popular sections, then you will see 1.5 million views, 818K views, 537K views, and many more. And all of the views we have gained organically with the YouTube SEO. So that is about our agency, sir. So recently, our team member has audited your YouTube channel and found some problem, some on-page SEO problem on your channel. And if you fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow, sir. So if you are interested, then we will go ahead, sir.
Okay, we can try, but my main concern here is that the language is a lot of a lot different. I mean, you have to use translator, and the translation will be a lot different than it normally should be. And I'm not sure how you're gonna manage to fix that, or to know which word, which phrase to use, so you can make better SEO.
Okay.
SEO.
Okay. Okay, sir. So as I showed you earlier, we are working with various countries client, and we are working with different languages. So language is not matter. So you will get your or targeted audience based views, and we also translate your language if need, no problem, and you will get your one niche base and your targeted audience. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, we'll optimize your video title, tags, and descriptions, and we'll research high volume rank tags for your videos. And high volume rank tags means which tag has high search volume but competition is low. That
Mhm.
type of tags we will research for your video. And when you put that type of text to your videos, then your video will go on top. When someone
Mhm.
search related to your video, then you get more organic views. So our work process is we will optimize your video title, tags, and descriptions, and we will research high volume rank tags, and we will increase your video SEO score. That is our work process. So for YouTube SEO, we have two packages. One is weekly and another is monthly. In our weekly package, we will optimize your 10 video and it costs $120. And another package is monthly package. In our monthly package, we will optimize your 30 video and it costs $300. These are the packages we offer. And for getting payment, we support PayPal and Remitly and Western Union. And
Mhm.
our work method is when you hire us, you have to give your channel access as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize each of the thing from our side. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have another option. That is, you just send your video link, which video you want to SEO. Then we will optimize that video and make a report sheet, then hand over to you. Then you just put on your video by yourself. Okay.
Okay.
And our hire system is when you hire us, you have to pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. Our client satisfaction is our first priority, sir. We are not a small agency. As you see, my play button is also hanging behind me. and we are working with today. From today, we already completed 10 buyer meeting and working with them. So we try our best to give our clients the better service, because if I provide you the good service, then you will hire us for the next day.
Sure.
So if you are interested and if you are want to take our service, then we will go ahead, sir. And we will be, it would be very pleasure for us if we grow your channel, sir.
Okay, okay. Videos. So let's say if we work on, let's say, one or two videos, what will that cost for me?
Okay. So, sir, if you do one or two video SEO, so you cannot get so much result, because SEO is an organic process. So my suggestion is, at least you can take our 5 video service, and
Okay.
then you can compare. So our per video is $10, and you just take 5 videos for $50 and do
o-
SEO and judge our work. And if you are satisfied, then you can go ahead. No problem.
Okay. That's something that we can try. Yes.
Okay, okay. So you just want to start with the 5 videos, and would you want to give your channel access or not?
No, I prefer not. I will send you the links,
Okay,
the
okay, no
specific
problem.
link videos, and then I can do that the
Okay,
work.
okay. Okay, no
Mm.
problem. So after finishing the meeting, you just send your 5 video link, which video you want to do SEO, and our team member will start for working you, and our team member will send his payment details, and then you have to pay 50%, I mean 25% advance, and rest of
Mhm.
the 50% after completing the work. And for getting payment, do you choose PayPal or something else?
PayPal will be nice.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So no problem. Our PayPal link will be sent to you. So sounds good. We will try our best to grow your channel and working with you for a long time, sir. And thanks for your time again, sir. Hope to work with you for a long time. Bye for now.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you,
Have
sir.